I push through the wet leaves, the jungle breathing around me as the sun rises. Every step sinks into mud, the air thick and alive. Something metallic catches my eye that doesn't belong here. As I get closer, I realize it's a private jet, abandoned. The metal is rusted, completely overtaken by vines and moss. The cockpit is shattered, plants growing where pilots once sat. One wing is broken, swallowed by mud and roots. I place my hand on the cold rust and it flakes away. The jungle has claimed this jet, but it's still standing. I step into the cockpit, lighting the darkness with my flashlight. The seats are torn apart, mold everywhere. Rain leaks through holes in the ceiling. I scrape rust from the metal, layer by layer. The cabin is dark, filled with debris and decay. Animal tracks cross the floor. I'm not alone.
Look at this.
Those are fresh.
Big too.
I clear out the junk, tossing it back into the jungle. I stand at the entrance, imagining what this could become. I start clearing the jungle around the jet. Thick vines fall as I cut them away. I light my first fire beside the plane. Rainwater becomes my first resource. I build rough steps to get inside easier. This sleeping bag will be home for now.
Goddamn vines. I'm gonna get through.
At night, the fire reflects off the rusted metal. The storm hits hard, but the jet holds. Morning light reveals everything survived the night. I scrape rust until clean metal shows. Mud washes away, slowly revealing the plane. I patch holes to keep the rain out. Broken windows get sealed. The cockpit starts to feel alive again. Old seats come out one by one.
All right, time to get this old seat out of here.
Looks pretty seized up.
Yeah, it's not gonna go quietly.
I sweep away years of dirt. The walls finally look clean. The jet is empty, ready to change. I lay down a solid wooden floor. New walls begin to shape the space. Insulation goes in to control the heat. The ceiling gets reinforced. I cut space for a large window.
Almost
Glass
got it.
goes in, opening the jungle view.
Yeah, there it goes. Just need to move it out of the way now.
Sunlight floods the interior. Everything feels solid now. This isn't a wreck anymore.
This is it. The shell is solid. The wood is perfect. It's really coming together.
I bring in a real bed.
All right, lowering now. Just a little more. Okay, it's down.
Clean walls change the whole mood. A sofa turns it into a living space. Plants bring the jungle inside. Warm lighting softens everything. I build a compact kitchen. Clean water changes everything.
The tubing and open the valve to start the flow.
Sunset fills the cabin with gold. For the first time, I relax. I climb the jet to install solar panels. Power finally runs through the walls. I build a modern bathroom. Hot water feels unreal out here. Lights turn on after dark. Rain pounds outside, but I'm dry. Solar power keeps everything alive.
Charging nicely. Just connected the laptop too.
The jungle glows beyond the windows. This place is fully functional now. I cook a proper meal. Eating while watching the jungle feels unreal. Wildlife passes right outside. Fog wraps around the jet at dawn. Warm light fills the cabin. Everything feels balanced. Art gives the space personality. Music fills the cabin. Luxury is in the details. Everything is clean and finished. At night, the jet glows. From above, it looks unreal. The jungle surrounds my creation. Every detail is complete. Morning coffee hits different out here. I walk through what I built. The cockpit feels peaceful now,